Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone, and in this video we will show the top 3 widgets that you can add to the home screen of your device. So in order to access the widget menu, you gotta make the shrink and swipe on any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens, or tap and hold. Here at the bottom menu that appears right after you do that, tap on the widgets, and here you will be brought up to the widgets menu where you basically can choose the widgets from. So the first widget that we would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar, of course. So here, just locate the search widget, the Google search widget, and choose the place where you want to drop it at. I'll leave it right here, for example. This is the very convenient widget that allows you to access the Google search engine without necessarily having to open up the browser that you are using. The second widget that we would highly recommend that you add is called Accelerate. So locate the Accelerate widget at the widget menu and choose the place where you want to drop it at. Already, as you could see, I do not have any more space on the first home screen of mine, so I'll just place it right here. And once you tap on this widget, your system is being accelerated, cache is being cleared, the random access memory, or RAM for short, is being freed out, so basically it just improves and increases the performance of your device. So if you think that your device is lacking some performance, you can just go ahead and literally in one tap accelerate the system. The last widget we would highly recommend that you add is a very convenient widget that it's called lock screen, and as you could tell from its name, it allows you to lock the screen of your device without necessarily having to use the physical lock screen power off button on the right side of your smartphone. You can just make one digital tap and your screen will go ahead and be locked. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!